You getting ready to do that?
Well, I just spilled my soda every freaking where.
I don't know, the thing that you were holding. This one.
Did your phone get it?
No.
We're gonna light this
I'll
next.
leave it. I'll just wash it. I'll wash
You
the
gonna light that?
Yeah.
One time we woke up and
Alright, I'm lighting
it was
the
vibrating and there
Right.
was
a
coffee
bunch.
underneath.
Hell yeah, how many you got?
Oh, no, I
And
couldn't
it
get them
didn't work right
open.
with it dry. I said, let it dry out. Electronics sometimes let it
Damn,
dry out.
Troy's like really
She went
talking
out and
over
blow
there.
dried and let it sit out, whatever. Next day, nothing wrong with it.
I had the same phone. It would slide out of my console of my Dodge and right into my cup of coffee. It must have done it 5 times, and I did the same thing. I took the battery out
Yeah,
and
at
let it
least
sit
pull
out
the
for a
wick up.
day. Put it back together.
So
It's
where do you
sticky,
light
but it
it
worked.
at?
That was
Yeah, at
amazing.
least be able to. Oh, there we
It
go.
was like this.
That's how.
Far up the phone, like in the keys and stuff. I'm shocked this still works. Remember your phone falling in coffee?
What?
Tristan?
What?
Remember your phone falling in coffee?
Yes. Woke up to it sitting in tea.
Oh, tea, that's
I
what
was
it
about to
was.
say it fell in coffee and you woke up and it was tea. That's kind of cool.
That's a crazy thing.
What?
They kind of look like solar flares.
Hey, thanks again, Jen.
See what one does.
Yeah, thanks, Jim. For getting me paranoid. I was joking.
And I was like, what's behind me?
Let's see.
Let's see it maybe. We're all blown up.
The fountain. Wow.
Awesome.
Not impressed. Snore.